Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have risen in value this week after two IT titans expressed their support for digital currency. Stay tuned to find out what Elon's mighty plans are for the crypto universe. Believe us, you don't want to miss this one. Hello everyone, welcome to Business Bro. If you're new here, you must know that we are giving away 1,000 Dogecoin to our random subscribers. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comment section. Good luck! With that being said, let's dive into the video. Know that the prices of cryptocurrencies change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investors in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency were glued to one of the most keenly awaited events on the crypto calendar so far this year. Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, talks live with Twitter's Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood, a key Tesla and Bitcoin investor. The price of Bitcoin has risen about 10% in the previous week, aided by a much-anticipated live conversation on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency between Tesla entrepreneur Elon Musk and Twitter's Jack Dorsey. Dogecoin, a meme-based cryptocurrency, and Ethereum, the second-largest cryptocurrency, were arguably the event's surprise victors. Now, as the price of Dogecoin approaches 20 cents per Doge token after plummeting below the psychological mark earlier this month, Musk has released the Dogecoin hypothesis, claiming that the meme coin isn't a speculative asset, but rather Dogecoin is money. Musk's tweet briefly pushed the price of Dogecoin above 20 cents per Doge token on Coinbase, a famous US crypto exchange that only acquired Dogecoin support last month. However, it rapidly retreated, trading in accordance with today's largely flat Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. The price of Dogecoin has dropped nearly 75% after it soared to over 70 cents in May, riding a Musk and influence-fueled boom. Due to speculators rushing into the Shiba Inu dog-based cryptocurrency, Dogecoin is still up 6,000% from this time last year. Musk touched on concepts that had previously been raised to upgrade Dogecoin via Ethereum to max transaction rates and decrease transaction costs during a speech at the Crypto Council for Innovation's World event this week. There may be some virtue in merging something like Ethereum with Dogecoin, Musk added, admitting that in addition to Bitcoin and Dogecoin, he owns some Ethereum tokens. Bitcoin by itself simply cannot scale to become the world's monetary system at the base layer, Musk stated, saying that without the adoption of a second layer network, Bitcoin will struggle to become peer-to-peer currency. There's some sense in looking at something with a greater maximum transaction rate and lower transaction costs, and seeing how a far single-layer network with exchanges acting as a de facto second layer can go, Musk added. I believe you could take it a step further than most people know, and as bandwidth grows, latency lowers. Longtime backer of Dogecoin, Musk has gone all in this year, calling for upgrades and pledging that his rocket business SpaceX will put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. SpaceX has joined Tesla in owning Bitcoin, though Musk did not indicate how much. During this week's online chat between Musk, Twitter's Jack Dorsey, and ARK Invest Cathie Wood. After a retest, the price of Bitcoin is now hanging around $40,000. After such a huge run, a retreat to the range's midpoint appears likely. This move will give purchasers a chance to rest and recover before the next leg of the rise. Bitcoin's price has risen by about 37% in the last 6 days, reaching $40,000 for the first time. While the rumor may have had a part, the current situation appears to be untenable. BTC requires a reset to allow profit-taking buyers to exit and sidelined investors to enter for the next run-up. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level at $34,650 and the 62% Fibonacci retracement level at $33,353 are the most likely support levels for this decline. The 70.5% Fibonacci level at $32,453 could be tagged in a somewhat bearish position. However, this is doubtful. The rally that rises from these positions could target the swing high of $41,327 or $42,478 set on June 15th. In an extremely bullish scenario, Bitcoin might reach $45,376, a 30% increase from $34,650. Anything beyond this point is fleeting and will almost certainly result in a swift reversal. A break below the 79% Fibonacci retracement level at $31,517, on the other hand, might invalidate the bullish thesis and cause a 7% sell-off to the range low at $29,249. The original price goal for Ethereum was attained at the intersection of the 200-week SMA with the 2020 ascending trend line and the 50-day SMA. July 26's downturn is a foregone conclusion since the 4-hour chart shows a negative momentum divergence. If the February high of $2,041 maintains price weakness, ETH has more upward potential. The strong support formed by the May 23rd low of $1,728, the June 22nd low of $1,700, the June 26th low of $1,717, and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of the ETH rally commencing in March 2020 at $1,730 was successfully challenged. The average of the four levels was $1,719 with a low of $1,718 on July 20th. Ethereum price rose 22% in 4 days after hitting a low on July 20th before hitting resistance at the 50-day SMA at $2,176. This 4-day comeback falls short of the late June surge of 24.47% and the late May spike of 30.76%, but it outperforms the 19.64% move at the start of June. The moves in the prior 3 instances turned out to be dead cat bounces as ETH quickly fell. Now the question is whether this 22% rally is the start of a substantial Ethereum price increase that will break through the declining channel's upper resistance line, which is now around $2,477, or if it is merely another dead cat bounce in the bigger corrective process. A weekly closing above the 2020 ascending trend line, currently at $2,130, is critical to the bullish ETH narrative. A weekly close above the 50-day SMA at $2,166 is much better. It would be the first sign of a trend change, indicating that Ethereum price is on track to hit the channel's upper resistance line at $2,477, resulting in a 16% gain from the rising trend line. If the price of Ethereum fails to sustain the February high of $2,041 on a daily closing basis, the narrative will be pushed towards another dead cat bounce and a restart of the broader drop. The collapse from the controlling descending triangle pattern and the failure of the 61.8% retracement of the 2020 to 2021 rise at $1,730 are confirmed by a daily closing dip below $1,700. The 2018 high of $1,419 and the 50-week SMA of $1,417 are both on the downside. On the bar charts, Ethereum price will end the week with a bullish engulfing week, implying that the weak holders have been evacuated and ETH can pursue a bullish story. With a close above last week's high of $2,169, the engulfing week will be confirmed, leaving the smart contracts behemoth with only negative 4.8% loss in July. Furthermore, it would demonstrate ETH's capacity to navigate numerous layers of barriers in a hesitant cryptocurrency market. The price of Dogecoin is hovering just below a critical ceiling, which, if broken, will allow the meme coin to soar higher. A pullback appears expected after a steady advance since July 20th. As a result, investors can expect a leg up that follows this correction to hit the aforementioned supply barrier. During the recent bull run's peak hype cycle, Elon Musk's comments about Dogecoin sent the cryptocurrency skyrocketing. Musk's comments influenced the price of Bitcoin at one point. His tweets have lacked power in recent months, scarcely moving the markets. Since July, this reversal in pattern has become increasingly noticeable. Only one of Musk's 5 Dogecoin-related tweets in the last month has yielded a somewhat positive result. On the day Musk tweeted about BTC, ETH, and Doge, the Dogecoin price rose 6.2% on a 12-hour candlestick. The lack of enthusiasm or hysteria is maybe the most important factor for Musk's diminished grip on the markets. As the price of Bitcoin continued to fall after May 19th, most retail market players took a break, which can still be seen today. Musk's most recent tweet about Dogecoin was about 21 hours ago, and it did not appear to be related to the asset's market value. However, the current bullish tendency of the cryptocurrency market may be propelling the meme coin near a major barrier level. Dogecoin price is currently aiming for the 0.213 supply barrier after surging around 34% in the last 6 days. A break of this level could be crucial in boosting Doge's price. A break of the specified ceiling will be confirmed only if a 12-hour candlestick closes decisively above 0.213 on the same day. Failure to do so, however, will result in regression, giving buyers time to recover and prepare for the next move up. If rejection at 0.213 leads to a move over 0.192, however, it indicates diminishing buying demand. In this event, the price of Dogecoin is anticipated to drop another 11% to the swing low of 0.169 set on July 17th. While this gives bulls a second shot in an upswing, a breach below 0.162 invalidates the bullish perspective and in some situations leads to a 25% sell-off to the demand zone between 0.119 and 0.145. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin have led crypto markets higher in the last 24 hours, but despite news that Tesla will likely restart Bitcoin payment support and that SpaceX purchased Bitcoin, major cryptocurrencies have failed to see the kind of rallies that Musk's shock announcement that Tesla had purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin caused earlier this year. There's some sense in looking at something with a greater maximum transaction rate and lower transaction cost and seeing how far a single layer network with exchanges acting as a de facto second layer can go, Musk added. I believe you could take it a step farther than most people know, and as bandwidth grows, latency lowers. Musk believes that internet connectivity will increase in the future years, providing low latency, high capacity internet to people all around the world. In the long run, owing to SpaceX and Starlink, people will have access to gigabyte-level connectivity with low latency and low cost all around the planet. If you take that into consideration, your base layer might handle a lot of transactions. Starlink, a SpaceX satellite internet network project with 70,000 customers in 12 countries, was created to bridge the gap between areas covered by ground-based internet and mobile service. If someone else doesn't do it, Starlink would undoubtedly do it, Musk stated. I'm confident that you'll be able to keep a decent financial system while also having a lot larger blockchain. As average connectivity improves, you can make a hash ledger bigger without suffering from decentralization. Musk's remarks, many of which he has made in interviews and on Twitter in recent months, reflect the so-called block size wars of 2016 and 2017, which split the Bitcoin community and led to the birth of Bitcoin Cash, a fork of Bitcoin that can handle far more transactions per block. Musk responded to a wide-ranging YouTube interview with Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin by AI researcher and podcaster Lex Fridman by tweeting that he pretty much agrees with Vitalik. Fridman inquired if Dogecoin might be upgraded to defeat Bitcoin hands down, and Musk has indicated, with Buterin responding, if Doge wants to somehow bridge to Ethereum and then people can take Doge thousands of times a second, that would be wonderful. Charles Hoskinson, another Ethereum pioneer who later founded rival blockchain Cardano, told Fridman in a later interview that he believes Musk's support will encourage real people to come in and start working on Dogecoin. Musk went on to say that crypto mining, which entails using high-powered computers to safeguard blockchains in exchange for newly minted tokens, could be a way to improve energy efficiency if connectivity was good enough. What if your space heater could also serve as a Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge mining node? He wondered. As they consume electricity, crypto mining computers generate heat. You could get hot, mine your Bitcoin, and stay connected all in one. Musk also explained why he prefers Dogecoin to other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Dogecoin is a tongue-in-cheek, meme-based cryptocurrency that was launched as a joke. The Doge community has excellent memes and doesn't take itself too seriously, Musk added, reiterating a term he'd previously used. The most fun conclusion is that most likely, Bitcoin has a lot of brilliant concepts, Musk added, but the block size parameters for Bitcoin were set in 2008 or something. Since then, there have been some advances, but not a lot. Bitcoin miners accepted the most anticipated Bitcoin protocol improvement since segregated witness, SegWit, in 2017 last month. Taproot is a new signature technique that will replace Bitcoin's current elliptic curve digital signature process and is believed to improve Bitcoin's privacy and efficiency. It makes sense to support something that increases the quality of the data we need to run our businesses. Bitcoin is a candidate for bettering money in terms of information security. It's good at some things and it's growing. Musk was referring to Bitcoin's second layer Lightning Network, which has been utilized to conduct near-instant and low-cost Bitcoin transactions. However, Bitcoin per se is largely addressing scarcity. Musk continued, citing Bitcoin's decentralized network, open, anonymous ledger, and shown ability to withstand intervention as reasons for his support. However, because the volume of transactions is minimal, the transaction cost is significant. The average user's ability is still lacking. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has a lot of potential. If you're going to invest in the crypto universe, make sure that you pay attention to Bitcoin's price and news developments and follow a few major crypto pro supporters. The billionaire Elon Musk is known for cracking crypto jokes now and then. On the other side, his comments have the ability to influence asset valuations. That tweet had over 300,000 likes the last time we checked, which is incredible. The price of the SHIB token increased by 25% as a result of that tweet, which is a little alarming. As a result, you should follow a few accounts on social media, including Musk's. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.